Yo, what's going on, guys? So yeah, I'm kind of switching gears here right now because I'm trying to get this sound editing out, and it's just like it's taking way longer than I thought it would. So putting that aside for right now, and I'm gonna try to take off these door panels, get the glass out, cut out the door, do that on both sides, and maybe possibly get this this cut out today too. We'll see, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna switch gears because it's just like fucking killing my arm doing that. So I'm just gotta chip away at that slowly. So that's what's going on. Alright, so I got the panel off. Need a bigger screwdriver for that. Okay. Oh, so yeah, I'm ordering the roll cage this week. So I don't know if it's gonna be here by next weekend, but I'm gonna order it this week. And also, I'm trying to get like a laptop soon, because I don't have a laptop, so I edit all these. I film them all on my phone and edit them on my phone, so I know like the quality's not that great, especially for IGTV, because I can't flip it to where it's not so zoomed in. So yeah, that's coming in the future soon, so you know, bear with me, and hopefully I can get the quality up in the near future. Alright, I got both doors cut out, no glass, ready for the roll cage. Left the latch, so that still works, real nice. So yeah, I know I was talking about this video I'd be doing stitch welding, but if you can see from last time, I got all the sound deadening out. You know, I had to go pick up more dry ice last week, and yeah, it's just this stuff like right here on the sides I couldn't get, so I'm gonna have to just wire wheel that down, maybe get a scraper, and then the stuff right here, these seams, they just like, the dry ice just won't take that off. You gotta get that off with a razor blade or wire wheel like I'm trying to do. But I got these ones ground up pretty good on the edges here. So yeah, it's getting there. Ow. Yeah, it's pretty damn stripped out. I took the steering wheel out today just so it made it a little bit easier to get down here. I know you can't see. So yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. I mean, this is just needs vacuumed up right now, but I got this one, like you can see the seam, it's almost there, so getting there right there, but it's just like trying to get this to bare metal. I don't even want it to bare metal, I'm just trying to get all the like tar off, you know, so when I go to paint it, it's not going to be sticking to like rubber, you know. I want to actually have a clean surface. So yeah, I'm just going to keep chipping at that this week, and hopefully eventually start getting some stitch welds in here. But it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. It's gonna be sick. Just trying to stay motivated. Yeah, I'm trying to stay motivated and just like chip away at it every weekend, you know, because that's really the only time I have to work on it. But yeah, I'm getting that cage this week. That's going in, so I can start mocking that up, putting that in. I have materials, so I can start doing the two rear, putting the fuel cell in. I just need to get motor mounts so I can mount the engine in the car, so when we tube the front end, we make sure it's, you know, none of the tubes are gonna get in the way of anything. So this is the hard part. This is like the tedious part, the fabrication part, you know. So it's just it just takes time. You gotta take your time because you want it to look good, you want it to come out right. So yeah, it's just gonna take some time to get through this fab part. But once that's done, I'll get the engine in, get the seats in, you know, just get it all going, get it wired up. And one of these days I'll be back out there. Can't wait.